got an animation. It's moving blindingly fast as the computer can draw it, which is amazingly fast. So we want to slow that down a little. How are we going to do that? Well, we want to burn some time. All right, we got this loop going around, and we want to basically just spend some time doing nothing in there somehow. So I'm going to create a delay loop. I'll call it. Let me just pencil that in for reference. Delay loop. There, done. Now you have to actually put some code in there. So first, we'll use our counter, CX. Traditionally, you can be used as a counter, and put a duration in there of 10,000. Okay. Set duration. Okay, and then we want to create our delay loop here. Oops, delay loop here. Delay loop, and that is a label. Yes, and in our delay loop, here, let me just go ahead and say jump if not 0. J and Z back to our delay loop. Okay, and then in there we're just going to decrement CX, decrement our counter. There, very good. So now delay loop. So now it's just going to burn some time. You know, it's going to start at 10,000, and it's just going to get in this meaningless loop here and burn up a bunch of text and see if that adjusts our timing a little bit. Here, save. Let's have a look what we got. There, we actually saw some motion. It didn't fly so fast that it was in the blink of an eye, you see. Still quite fast. Okay, so we can up this number, right? So let's say we went 50,000 there. Let's do that. Even nice. That's nice. Okay, so that's timing. Now, in the next video, we're going to adjust the timing, fine-tune it a little bit more.